What is a crochet or knitted temperature blanket and how to make one? A temperature blanket is a creative and personalized project that transforms daily weather data into a stunning keepsake. Each row or segment of the blanket represents the temperature of a specific day, with different colors assigned to various temperature ranges. By the end of the year, you'll have a unique blanket reflecting the climate trends of the chosen year. Check out some of the links in the description below to get started with your crochet or knitted temperature blanket. Crochet versus knitted temperature blankets. Both crochet and knitted temperature blankets follow the same concept but differ in style and technique. Crochet temperature blankets. Crochet blankets tend to grow faster since crochet stitches are typically larger and more textured. Popular options include single crochet rows, granny squares, or even ripple/chevron patterns. Crochet also allows for more intricate designs if you want to experiment with shapes like hexagons or circles. Knitted temperature blankets. Knitted blankets often have a smoother, tighter finish, giving them a sleek and uniform look. Common patterns include garter stitch rows, stockinette stitch panels, or striping techniques. While knitting may take a little longer than crocheting, the result is often lightweight and elegant. How to make a temperature blanket. 1. Choose your colors and temperature ranges. Select a palette of yarn colors that represent different temperature brackets, e.g., 30 degrees Fahrenheit equals blue, 50 degrees Fahrenheit equals green. You can adjust the number of colors based on how much variation you want. 2. Pick your yarn and tools. For crochet, you'll need a crochet hook appropriate for your chosen yarn weight. For knitting, select knitting needles suitable for the yarn type. 3. Plan your pattern. Crochet ideas, granny squares, ripple stitches, or rows of single/double crochet. Knitting ideas, garter stitch stripes, stockinette panels, or basket weave designs. 4. Track daily temperatures. Record the high or low temperature for each day of the year using a weather app or website. 5. Start stitching. Work on your blanket daily, weekly, or monthly, adding rows or segments to represent each day's temperature. Links to patterns and resources in the links below. Crochet temperature blanket pattern. Knitted temperature blanket pattern. Yarn recommendations and color inspiration. Pro tips. Use a temperature chart or app to stay organized. Add a border or special stitches to mark important days like birthdays or anniversaries. Don't worry about staying perfectly on track, catching up is easy. Whether you crochet or knit, a temperature blanket is a fun and rewarding year-long project. Hit the like button, subscribe for more crafting inspiration, and check out the links below for patterns and tools. Which do you prefer, crochet or knitted temperature blankets? Share your choice in the comments.